through the night. Silent footsteps fade in light. Shadows dance on silver waves. Whispered secrets lost in space. Echoes of the soul calling through eternity. Voices in the wind, lost in time, forever free. Stars aligning in the streams, floating where the silence breathes. Through the ether, hearts alone, lost but never quite alone. Echoes of the soul calling through eternity. Voices in the wind, lost in time, forever free. Echoes of the soul calling through eternity. Voices in the wind, lost in time, forever free. In time beyond the echoes of the soul calling through eternity. Voices in the wind, lost in time, forever free. Shadows dance in the moonlight glow. A distant voice calls soft and low. Through the veil of time and space, echoes whisper, lost in grace. Kyrie eleison, Lusitana. Oh, let the light guide our way. Sanctus Spiritus, Noctis Anima. In the night our souls will stay. Silent dreams in a world unseen, fading memories in silver streams. Hearts entwined beyond the sky, where no one lives yet none can die. Sanctus Spiritus Noctis Anima. In the night our souls will stay. Kyrie eleison, lux aeterna. Oh, let the light guide our way. Sanctus Spiritus Noctis Anima. In the night our souls will stay. Drifting far, lost in time. Our heartbeat fades, yet still we shine. Kyrie eleison, lux aeterna. Our heartbeat fades, yet still